In this video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. Start by signing into your Calendly account. Once you're on the dashboard, click your account menu and go to Settings, then select Calendar Connections. Next, click Connect Calendar and choose Google Calendar from the list of available calendar providers. You'll be redirected to Google's sign-in page. Now sign in with the Google account you want to use and review the permissions Calendly is requesting. Click Allow to grant access to your calendar. After that, return to Calendly and confirm that your Google Calendar appears in the Calendar Connections section. Calendly will now use this calendar to check your availability and help prevent scheduling conflicts. Next, choose which Google Calendar should receive new appointments. You can also select the calendars Calendly should check for busy times when determining your availability. Once everything is configured, save your settings and test the connection by scheduling a sample appointment through one of your Calendly event types. Finally, check your Google Calendar to make sure the appointment appears correctly and that the integration is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.